Once upon a time, in the mushy land of fairies, love and unity flourished among the enchanting creatures. The fairies' houses, nestled in mushrooms, were adorned with sparkling stars, which bestowed upon them their magical powers. One day, as the fairies celebrated the full moon day with joy and merriment, a cloud named Dizzy passed by. Dizzy was known for its selfish nature, always seeking to create chaos with strong winds and rain. However, the fairies, with their beauty and unity, remained unfazed by Dizzy's presence. While some fairies adorned themselves with ornamental leaves and mushrooms, others danced gracefully in the sky. Despite Dizzy's attempts to disrupt their peace with strong winds, not a single leaf in the mushy land stirred. Instead of retaliating, the fairies showed compassion towards Dizzy, offering their hearts filled with love. The mushroom houses began to glow with the enlightened powers from the moon and stars, illuminating the land with a dazzling light. As the stars sparkled and shone brightly over the fairies' houses, the moon bathed the meadow in its gentle light, showering the fairies with glittering rays. The fairies, lost in their dance and joy, radiated love and unity, unaffected by Dizzy's attempts to sow discord. The moral of the story is clear. The potion of love, blessed by the moon, is the key to unity and strength. Despite the presence of clouds like Dizzy, spreading chaos, the fairies showed that love and unity can overcome any challenge. So, let us all stay strong together, for the moon blesses us all with its radiant light. Thank you for watching Artzy Monkey Learn English channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.